Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're unboxing the January Sew Sampler. So in today's unboxing, we are taking a look at the January Sew Sampler. It is called Bows, Bubbles, and Blue Skies. On the back, there is a promo code for 20% off Happy Cloud batting. And then there's also a couple other fun projects linked on there as well. You can just scan those QR codes for more information. And we're just gonna dive right in. We're gonna start off with our flowering quilt along. This is block number 10, and if you are new to the Sew Sampler boxes, each month they put out a different sampler quilt block pattern, and these are really nice high quality quilt patterns. At the end of getting the 12 boxes, you will get a finishing instructions pattern as well to put them all together. And when the boxes first released, they usually have quilt kits for them. Since we're already on block number 10, I'm pretty sure those are all gone, but you could always check their website, and sometimes they will have finishing kits available as well. So here's block number 10. I actually keep these, I bundle them all together. Once I get all of the blocks plus the finishing, I'll bundle them all up and do a giveaway for one of you. If you missed any of them, you can get them on the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98. The next thing in our box is the Little Bubble Quilt As You Go template by Fat Quarter Shop. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, and Sew Sampler got it first. It values at $10.98, and it says quilt in a fresh, playful way with the Little Bubble Quilt As You Go template from Fat Quarter Shop. This clever tool creates cheerful bubble shapes with the look of curved piecing, all without extra steps or stress. Designed for easy quilt as you go sewing, it pairs perfectly with charm packs and batting squares for smooth, satisfying progress. It is a light-hearted, low-fuss approach to quilting that keeps things fun and floating along. Even better, Sew Sampler members got it first. And Fat Quarter Shop does have, sorry, I know it's shiny there, but they do have a QR code here with a free video tutorial on how to use this and how to make this runner as well. So if you're new to using these kind of templates, I highly suggest you check out their instructional video. All right, the next thing in our box, and this goes with that template, is the 8-inch squares. It's a 6-pack of 80/20 Silky Blend Happy Cloud Quilt Batting by Fat Quarter Shop. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive. It values at $3.24. And it says pair this 6-pack of 8-inch batting squares from Happy Cloud Quilt Batting with your blueprint fabric squares and Little Bubble Quilt As You Go template for an easy, cheerful quilting experience. Sized to help you quilt on any domestic sewing machine, they keep things moving smoothly while adding soft loft and clean stitch definition. These pre-cut squares make setup simple and sewing stress-free for the quilt as you go technique. It is a feel-good foundation that helps your quilting come together with ease and confidence. And I've actually never tried this Happy Cloud batting, so I'll be interesting to try this out and see how it goes. All right, the next thing in our box is the Buttons and Bows quilt pattern. This is also a Sew Sampler exclusive. It values at $9.98, and it says soft curves and classic blocks come together in the charming Buttons and Bows quilt pattern. The design blends playful movement with clean structure, creating a quilt that feels polished yet lighthearted. It shines beautifully in soft blues, gentle neutrals, and cheerful prints for a timeless look with just the right amount of whimsy. Try it with the junior layer cake in this month's box, and they do have some finishing kits available as well on the website, so there is a little QR code there that you can scan to get finishing kits if you're interested. It looks like this finishes at 44 by 53. There are a few other things that you need in addition to the layer cake in the box to finish this quilt, but it looks like a super easy, straightforward quilt. It's not very large, so maybe something you could throw on the back of a couch or a chair. You could even put it on your wall as decoration. The next thing in our box is this Confetti 60-weight cloud confetti cotton thread. It values at $12.48. This is by Wonderfill for Riley Blake Designs, and it says light as a daydream and smooth as a gentle breeze, 60-weight cotton thread is perfect for crisp piecing and barely there seams. The soft cloud confetti shade blends effortlessly into your fabrics, letting your stitching stay subtle and polished. Made by Wonderfill for Riley Blake Designs, this 60-weight is great for applique and piecing by hand or machine. Smooth, strong, and quietly dependable, it supports your project beautifully without stealing the spotlight. So I think this yarn or this thread is a really pretty color. It's very similar to the one that I use from Aurifil. I always use 2021. This looks a little bit creamier maybe. I've never used a 60-weight thread, so I would be interested to see how this works for piecing. I think it would be good for English paper piecing. I've never used one in my machine though, so if you've used 60-weight in your machine for quilting and piecing, leave a comment below letting me know if you like it and how it works. It makes me a little bit nervous because I know it is not as thick as the 50 weight, so that makes me feel like it would be maybe break a little bit easier and maybe the quilting wouldn't hold up over time. So I'm not sure about this weight thread, but I've also never used it. So let me know in the comments if you have. The last thing in our box is our junior layer cake. This is Buttons and Bows Blueprint by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda. This values at $27.98. Let your imagination wander with the Buttons and Bows Blueprint Junior Layer Cake by Camille Ross Kelly. This sweet stack of 24 10-inch squares is soft, bright, and full of delightful details with playful dots dancing alongside bubbly florals and cheerful plaids. The palette floats from airy sky blues to deep navy twilights, giving every print a calm, breezy feel. It is a collection that feels like blue skies tied up with timeless charm and simple joy. These colors actually feel slightly different than her previous blues. Dwell felt a little bit more dusty blue to me. This feels a little bit more bright and royal blue. The colors just look a little bit different than some of her previous lines, but I'm sure they coordinate. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it up for you. Your value is $69.64. The boxes are $29.99, I believe, per box plus shipping, so it's not a bad value for your box. Leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing was from today's unboxing. I will be doing a giveaway for this entire box. In order to enter the giveaway, I do have a few requests. So number one, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. I like to give giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you. Number two, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know your favorite thing from this month's box. I will pick one winner. If you are chosen, I will reply to your comment here. I will also put your name in the description box below the video. So make sure if you think you won to send me an email at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com and I will verify you won and get your prize shipped out. Please don't send your information to anyone else. And then number three, I do apologize, but I do have to keep my giveaways to US only for right now. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave your comment below to enter to win this box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. It is called Bows, Bubbles, and Blue Skies. All right, the next thing in our box is the Buttons and Bows. The next thing in our box is the little bumble. So if you're new to using these kind of templates, I highly suggest you check it. And it says, let your imagination wander in the Buttons and Bows let your imagination wander with the Buttons and Bows oh my gosh.